Alright guys, this is the fit. Yeah, put on it's a bit snuggy. But okay. Raise your hands if it look good. I can't raise my hands. Yeah, oh dear. Isn't it? Guys, I'm here chilling in a place that's not my own. Of course, you can see quite pristine aesthetic. Yeah. Pre-gaming, chilling before the countdown party at R3, the hottest new spot in Roppongi. Roppongi, I gotta use the accent. Roppongi. My friend was so gracious to allow me to stop by her humble abode-ish place thing, and she's getting ready. Not gonna put her on camera yet because we are respectful and mindful of people and stuff. So yeah. People have me trying to get me wasted before I even go in the gig. Got a whole bottle of Jack Daniels from 2 years ago, fermenting. She got that cinnamon rum punch, like cinnamon sticks and cloves and shit in the rum cake. Got people acting brand new. People, Hock sense, her activated. Hey, Tammy, what's going on? That's all she does. Stick out her bloody tongue. She is nothing but a teaser. People, let me tell you something, man. I'm here drinking, enjoying, mind my own business, enjoying life and existence as I usually does. I can't speak English properly right now. I don't understand. Like, my friend decided to show me a show named Orphan Black. People, if you have not watched it, I would advise you to buy like a bucket of chicken, some soda, snacks, and just sit down and watch this shit. Listen, I watch one episode right now and my brain fry up because this does not making no sense. You see me? And I have something to do with MC. I can't go into MC with this on my mind now. And when we're talking Orphan Black at the freaking club, like, hey, y'all watch Orphan Black? Yo, Orphan Black is litty, just like this club. I'm like, blame her. You see, this is that girl. That's all she does. She just introduce me to series and have me die. She showed me one thing, Lost in Space, and now I forgot. No! I forgot Ketchup from season 1. I forgot to watch that. You see, I can't matter. This is garbage. Garbage! Calm down! Hey!
It's 12 o'clock. Let's go.
Calm down, stop! 29! Hey! Where's the timer? Timer 9! Huh? Ready? Hi! Calm down, stop! Ready? What time? 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's up?
How we feeling? Dale no sé, cajinado.
Think all this party life, enough for me again. Just reach home from place 8 a.m. I may have something for do. What me have to do? Today I have the thing, the jamming, the big Jamaican brunch, bad Jamaican brunch. I forget some sleep. I'll catch back to see you later.